How to activate your Redotpay credit card. Alright, before we get started, you're going to need to create your Redotpay account. You can use the link in the description to sign up. Super easy. Once you register, make sure your account is fully verified. Just like on any exchange, you gotta confirm your identity, link your phone number and email, and set up your security settings. If you want extra protection, you can also turn on the authenticator. When everything's verified, go to the bottom menu and tap Card. You'll see two options, virtual card and physical card. The virtual card is the one you can use right away for online payments and tap to pay with your phone. The physical card is optional, but it takes a few months to arrive. Most people just start with the virtual one because it's instant and only costs $10. Tap Order Card, then type in your billing address, basically where you live. Next, you're going to need to deposit some USDT to pay the $10 fee. The easiest way is to deposit USDT, and as you can see here, I've already made this deposit using my Binance account. You can choose any network, but TRC20 or BNB chain are usually cheaper and faster. Once the money shows up, go back to Order Card and complete the payment. After that, your virtual Visa card gets created instantly. Tap the card to see your card number, expiry date, and CVV. And of course, don't share those numbers with anyone, because they can literally use your card if they get them. Now, if you want to use Tap to Pay in shops, you gotta add your card to a wallet app on your phone. Just make sure you've got enough USDT in your Redotpay account before you try to pay. And yeah, the card works perfectly online. As you can see, I've already used it on different websites, and I even linked it to PayPal and Dropcatch to buy domains with no problem at all. And that's basically how to activate and start using your Redotpay credit card.